So what we see here is that this candle here on the 24th of March, 2 days ago, it burst through this key level. So often when you see candles going through a key level, they tend to burst through it. They don't just tend to, faff around and just dribble like a little stream of water over it. They tend to go with some momentum. So this burst through that level. And you see the next day. So this is 25th of March, which I think was yesterday. We're 26 today, right? So the 25th of March, the next day, what does it do? It comes back close to this key level to test it. So this is one thing I want to talk about today is retesting of key levels. So it broke a key level and it came back to test it. And look how low it came. So there's a couple of things to note here. First of all, this retest, this red candle here, it didn't come back to this line. That's the first thing to notice. If it was if there was more supply in the market, you expect it to come back to this line or even to here, and it didn't. The second thing to notice is, I'll draw another line, is that where did it come back to? Okay, that's a random line. It came back. Let me draw a line here. It's gone. So where this retest ended. So by the retest, I mean the bottom of this candle, this red candle after the breakthrough. And look where it ended. It ended virtually on the line that I've drawn. And why did I draw that line? Because it's the high of this red candle. Can you see the long wick here? Right. So this was a retest. So on the way down, this candle broke this level and it came back for a retest. So this was a retest on the way down. So it's no surprise when you have a retest on the way up. So a retest on the way up means it's coming down. It's overlapped the key area here. And that's no surprise. Okay, and again, we see today, it's gone back down to this key level. So, and it's moved to this key level. So this green candle means the opening price is here, right? You can also see it in the top left-hand corner. So the opening price is 1617, right? And we have a strong move for the last few days. We've seen a move from 1471 here up to where? Up to 1639. So at 1616, we expect the move to continue, but it didn't immediately. It went back down, right? You can see, let me zoom in more for you. Let me zoom as much as I can. So you can see this, where the cross cursor is now. I'll move it. So you can see that green wick. It's quite a large tail on this candle, and it came back down almost to this level. Now, this is not coincidence. The market has dynamics. It does this for reasons. So let me explain about this testing. So both of these candles are testing candles. So what does that mean?